Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello. In the question we have given that as a science project you drop a watermelon off top of a Empire State building. So the height of this building is given, that is 220 meters above sidewalk. It so happens that Superman flies by at the instant you release the watermelon. So the speed. So Superman is headed down with a speed. So let's say v is the speed of this Superman, that is 35 meters per second. So how fast is watermelon going when it passes Superman? So we will write the equation of motion for Superman and watermelon. So for Superman, equation of motion will be S is equals to U times T. Because it is moving with a constant, so actually the equation of motion should be S is equals to ut plus half at square, but for Superman it will be S is equals to ut as a is equal to 0 because this v is constant, the speed is constant, so that is why the acceleration is 0. Now for watermelon, similarly we can write down the equation of motion, so that will be equal to S is equals to ut plus half at square. This is the equation of motion, but u is 0 because it is dropped, so initially it will have 0 initial speed, so that will be half at square. Now at an instant when they will both meet, so they are asking when it passes. So here this watermelon is dropped down, and at the same instance this Superman is also flying downwards. So at some distance, s, they will meet together. So for that distance, both of their distance will be same. So we will say, we will just equate this to equations. Let us call this as 2 and let us call this as equation number 1. So equating 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we get ut is equals to 1 by 2 g t square. So here I should plug g t square. So one of this t gets cancelled, and from here I can find out what is the time for at what time they will reach together. So it will be 2 into the speed of Superman is 35 divided by 9.8. So if we calculate this time, so this turns out to be 7.14 seconds. So this is the time at which they will meet. So now we will use this in the equation. So using in equation 1, so using 3 in 1, so this is my equation 3. So that is S is equals to ut. So u is 35 into 7.14. So this gives me S as equals to 249.9 meters. So at this distance they both will meet. So now for watermelon, we can find it b square is equals to u square plus 2as. So u is 0, so this will be v is equal to square root of 2gs. So this will be square root of 2 into 9.8 into 249.9. So if we plug the value, we will get v as equals to 69.98 meters per second. So we can approximate it to 70 meters per second. I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.